Blueberries are more than just a delicious snack. They are packed with nutrients that can transform your health. Rich in antioxidants, they help strengthen your immune system. Imagine having a natural defense against illnesses. These berries enhance your brain's performance and memory. Keep your mind sharp with regular blueberry intake. Blueberries support heart health by managing cholesterol and blood pressure. Protect your heart with this tasty treat. Filled with fiber, blueberries promote a healthy digestive system. They're a delicious way to stay regular. Blueberries help regulate blood sugar levels efficiently. They are an excellent choice for those managing diabetes. The vitamins in blueberries promote skin health and prevent aging. Achieve that youthful glow naturally. Consuming blueberries aids in faster muscle recovery after exercise, reduce soreness and bounce back quicker. Blueberries combat stress and promote calmness, a tasty way to unwind and focus. They support eye health and vision. Keep your eyes clear and bright. Rich in calcium, blueberries contribute to stronger bones. It's a delicious way to support your skeleton. These berries are natural mood enhancers. Include them in your diet for a cheerful day. They boost metabolism and aid in weight management. Stay fit with blueberries. Blueberries are the perfect healthy snack for your busy lifestyle. Easy to pack and delicious to eat. Embrace the power of blueberries in your diet. Unlock the superhero within you with this simple change.